to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Hi guys, and welcome to English Language Arts. And this video guys, we're going to be having a tutorial for the Microsoft Word. Okay, this is for a lot of you guys who do not know the software yet, or having troubles, or we forgot how to use it properly. Yes, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to change the font style, okay, how to change the font size, how to add pictures, and also especially for the grade 6, okay, this is also going to be teaching how to be changing the paragraph spacing into double spacing. So if you're grade 4 and grade 5 and you're still in the second quarter, and you do not need that last part, you could end the video already, and after I explain about the adding the picture. Okay, so let's start. First things first, guys, let's like to change the font style. The font style, guys, is how the text is written. So we have here, this is something that I wrote down. Okay, this is my 3-verse poem. Okay, what you like to do is you like to highlight the whole thing. You do this by pressing down, holding down on your mouse button, and then dragging it to highlight the whole thing. Now you see all of the written words are highlighted. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to go up here. Okay, now up there, right, you would see a small arrow here, right? Okay, now you press that small arrow over here and you'll be presented with different fonts. Font again is how it's written, so you just choose which font that you'd like to use. Okay, so for me, I'd like to use this. It looks nice and fancy, so I'd go ahead and use that. Now to change the font size, okay, you go here at the one beside it. Okay, then usually where you see a number, click that and then choose the correct font size that you're going to be using. So for example, for me, I'm going to be using 36 to make it nice and big. All right, you could also change the font color over here, right? You click on this arrow over here and then you would change the font color in any way you'd like. Okay, that is for changing the font style, font size, and font color. Okay, now how would it work if you'd like to add a photo, a picture? Okay, now to add a picture, what you guys are going to be doing is you go here on top and go to insert. So on the top part, click on inserts. Okay, then you have this option over here, pictures. Click pictures, then use this device. When you click that, right, you'll be presented with this screen over here. Go to the place where you place the picture. So for example, for me, I place it in the desktop folder, and I would choose this picture over here. Then press insert. Okay, so once you already inserted it, right, you'll be seeing this, and you go, oh no, what happened? It's over there. How would you set it to bring it at the back? Okay, how would you make it go at the back so that the text is in front of the picture? What you guys do is over here, right, you'd see this small icon over here. Click that and then choose behind text. Okay, if you'd like to put the photo in front of the text or in front of what you've written down, go to choose in front of text. If you'd like to put it behind, click behind. If you'd like to put it in the middle of it, top and bottom. But let's try to put it behind. Okay, so there we go. Now it isn't that centered, so let's try to make it centered so that it would go right behind the text itself. So what you do is click on the picture, right, and then drag it. There we go. If you'd like to make it bigger, there are small dots here, small circles around it. Go click it and then drag it to size it, then adjust it again. Okay, so that pretty much shows you how to add pictures, how to change font style, and how to change the font size and the font color as well. Now, how do you make it double spaced? See, the spacing, okay, I will remove the picture really quickly. The spacing is depending on the line spacing wherein you have. Now, there are instances wherein I will instruct you guys to make it double spaced. What do I mean by double spaced? See, unlike in your pad papers or notebooks, you can just skip a line. Here in these devices or these situations, you really can't. So what you do is you highlight first all of the things that you'd like to make it double spaced, okay? Or if you'd like, you just highlight the whole thing just so that it would work, okay? And then on the top part, right? Again, top part over here, you have this one, it says paragraph, okay? There's a small arrow over here, right? Click that small arrow, and then you'd be presented with this window over here, okay? What you do is, this says spacing, it says before and after, change that to 0. So it's usually it's 8, it says 8, so make that 0, okay? And then here it says multiple spacing or line spacing, go choose double, okay? And then press OK, and there you go. It is now double spaced. It's like skipping a line. Alright? And that pretty much ends our tutorial for using Microsoft Word in manipulating it or going or using the correct format when it comes to your projects in either English language arts or in other subjects as well. Okay? Alright.